Hi O'Daly here for Severe MMA, standing with Jack McGuire, who's booked his ticket over the European Championships in, I believe it's October, November? No, all right, we'll go in November. We was in Prague, I know that much. How good does that feel?
Awesome, it really feels awesome. I mean, the amount of work I put into it now, and coming in, there's a lot of emotions because I put so much into it, and I want nothing more to get it out of it, but to actually go in there and it's all done now, I'm over the moon, and I could go to sleep happy now tonight.
It's a long trip back to Cork, but it's obviously made a lot sweeter.
It'll be a lot easier now, yeah. It'll be a lot easier to go home. So I'll be with everyone. I know. I say you saw everyone with the hats.
Yeah, I did. They look great.
We'll have a good old time of it now on the way home. Go for a quick few there in a while, and
bit of knacker drinking, nothing wrong with that?
No, just the odd one, I'd say. After the amount of dieting and stuff, I can only stomach half a pint in here.
Of course.
Just the one will do me, and I'm happy.
I was just saying to you there when we were coming back that you just seem to not be able to do anything easy, because if I look at all the guys who fought twice tonight, you had by far the toughest fights, two absolute wars.
Yeah, no, and in fairness, the division was a tough division, and there was only 4 fighters when you had the 2 fights, but I mean, they said there's a seed 1, seed 2, seed 3, seed 4, but in all honesty, anyone could have been seed 1. They're all tough out, and by the end of it, it was seed 3 and 4 who were in the final, so it shows you that anything can happen, and each one just gave it their all, and everyone was a tough fight. So I knew coming into it, I wasn't going to have any easy fight, like, no way. So to come out on top now, it was even sweeter.
And I'm glad that the two of you guys got to the final, because I was watching some of Stephen's previous fights, and then what he did tonight as well. He fought against Ross Kearney from CMAC, exactly, who I was watching as well, and everyone was picking him to win the whole thing. So for him to beat him and to get away from his dangerous leg locks as well, it must feel good for you to watch a guy win against another guy and then you to win as well.
Exactly. It feels great. I mean, he finished Ross Kearney, even though Ross Kearney went for a lot and tried to get the win, but I mean, Stephen pulled through, got the win, fought well and finished well, and to fight him in the thing and get the win over him is very good as well. Like, I mean, it shows that I definitely have enough about me to come up on top of the top fighters. I mean, all the lads have a lot more experience than me, but I'm happy enough with myself to get the win over whoever's in front of me.
Definitely. Well, I know there's already a nickname. We've got the Korean Zombie, but I don't know how we're going to work that into your name, because some of the shots you took tonight, I was watching both fights and I was like, okay.
I shouldn't have been able to take them, really, but I shouldn't have taken them, because I'll feel them now tonight, I'd say. So.
And just and that last fight there as well, I didn't actually catch the first 2 rounds because I was running around the back, but the last round there, what were your corner telling you? Because you really started throwing in those leg kicks, and he was not checking one of those.
Yeah, see, like, I mean, for me, I know probably people know by now, but I like to just throw the odd foo, and I like to wrestle. I really like wrestling. It's where I'm most comfortable. I like it. But in fairness, Stephen now he was good at defending. He was trying to cancel out my game in the wrestling, and it was a closer fight in the first 2 rounds because he was defending, and it looks good if I try and take him down, he gets back up, and I just knew myself. I always do throw punches and kicks to set up stuff, but why not just keep it at that? So that's what I did, and I saw after the first 14 seconds it was what was working, and that's what I stuck with. I just went with my guns and got me the win in the last round. So
well, that's perfect, like, and that just goes to show how much you're progressing as well, because for a guy to be able to think on the fly like that and go, well, this strike is actually working, I need to keep going to that well, because he was not checking any of them.
Yeah. He wasn't. I mean, I was just catching him, and it could have been the tiredness, and because we all had fights before it, and normally he could be one for always checking, but it could have been heavy, and I just seemed to be working there for me today. So whatever I find is the easiest to get the win, that's where I'll go. I'll just go with the easiest route, path of least resistance, and that's where I'd go.
And do you think, I've asked the same question to a couple of lads that fought tonight as well, that do you think that you might get one more in before you go over to the IMAFs? Or are you happy to chill out? As you said, you've been working so hard, maybe you need a bit of time off.
Well, see, I'd like to have time off, but then there's more in me that says, no, don't do that, because you'll only get lazy. I mean, the lads in the gym take the mick of me, because if I take a break, I go so heavy, so I need to keep active. So I'm booked in now for 2 weeks in Real Fighting Championships in the North. That's on the 17th, and then on the 28th of October I'm fighting again in Cage Legacy. So, and now I have the Europeans, so I'm looking
non-stop.
No, I need to keep going, because I don't want to do damage to my body. Honestly, I really do damage. So I'll keep as busy as I can, willing how my body feels, how the training's going, and as anyone comes up to me, I'll always say yes, I'm there, and I won't take the mick. If I'm not up for it, I'll let them know in advance. But no, I'm here to fight as much as possible this year and enjoy my Christmas.
That's music to our ears because we love watching you fight. I just want to say congratulations again. It was an honour watching you fight, and best of luck in those 2 fights, and even more best of luck in the Europeans. Cheers, thank you.